Hey, what's up guys, it's my Master Tech and this is the Asus Zenfone 2 and this is Asus Zenfone 2 ZE551ML flip cover. It's the higher end model flip cover and I have purchased this from Flipkart and now it's not available there, but it was available there for a limited period of time. So the price written on the back side is here. As you can see, price listed here rupees 1399 means is 1400 rupees. It's too costly and you can see that the price is too high for this. So there are only black version available for this high-end model, and also other version means a 5-inch model available also with a white flip cover. So I will also adjust the battery level while using this. So let's unbox this, remove the tape from both the sides, and after that just take the flip cover out and let's take out our oops. So there was a cardboard also inside there and they were thrown out. Okay, what the need of that? So as you can see, there's some defect in this. I am totally disappointing. Why there's some dust and the plastic paper on the glass is not looking so good and there's dust inside. But look at this rubber and lustrous feeling. I've got this from the flip cover and it's too hard and it's too protective, and it's a great protection for our Zenfone 2. And there's similar looking like Zenfone 2, and as you can see, and there's the camera and the volume keys, everything is there. So there's the NFC also. Don't worry about the NFC, that the Flipkart doesn't have an NFC. So there's the NFC chip inside it, so don't worry about that. And you can see the scratches on my Zenfone 2 back cover. So Zenfone 2 is not of good quality, so I purchased the flip cover because I want to don't make my phone to look too ugly. So now this will protect my phone. So there's Zenfone logo downside and there are Asus logo on the back side, and there is speaker panel, and the only small portion is allowed to come to audio outside. So let's remove this plastic cover because it's looking too ugly. So but before that, just remove the plastic cover from the actually looking metal cover, but it's the plastic cover from the Zenfone 2. So let's take it out, and after that just insert back in it. So it's not so difficult, it's too easy to install the flip cover. And as you can see that, first of all I have to enable the Asus cover setting. We have to update it to the latest version to get access to all the features. So enable the Asus cover, automatic unlock and lock, and we can select the apps. There are a few apps available, so you can see that clock, music, weather, there are too many, and we can use automatic sleep after seconds or minutes. So let's remove this from recent apps, see there if it is working or not. So let's put the cover and you can see it's working, but it looking too ugly. So let's remove this plastic paper and clean the cover. So let's remove from both the sides and clean it with a cloth. So after cleaning it, so it's looking now great. So let's put the again cover and it locks and unlocks. So we need to require a pattern lock also to unlock the device. So let's open a application and see if it open directly from there. So let's putting the cover again and locks, and it doesn't require any pin because the screen is on. When we turn off the screen, then it requires a pin. We can also lock the device from the top of the power key. So it's a great and nice feature. Let's see there's some features in it. So there are the options available. Let's say it shows the weather and temperature. Also it predicts the weather of after for many days, some days. And we can also use the camera option, and it is a very simple camera app, and it only just focus and click. Not it doesn't record any video, so we can focus it and we can take the picture. So we cannot also preview the photos. So it's a very nice feature. We can also adjust the screen, because there is a round circle. It is not clearly looking and not adjustable. Means it's adjustable but it's not adjusted. We can adjust according to we want in the flip cover circle. So then when we are done, when we can press OK. And we can also use this option like vibrate, mute, sound. Is there a few options? We can use the priority option, night mode, and we can also use the night mode, means the airplane mode. So there's a nice feature. Is a few options, and we can use the flashlight too. So if you're in a dark place, we can use the flashlight from the flip cover. Does not need to open the flip cover. So there's a calendar also, and we can see the date and calendar of every month. So here's the month of June, and we can see also the events also. So the events. So let's look at again and see. There's not any festivals are displaying here, but every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, everything. So let's look at the clock again. You can see there's a missed call option, messages, and the email, but there are not any email messages, so it's showing the 00 count. So we can see there's a 8 varieties of clock available, because every time we update the app we get new features. So this time we get 8 apps. So I have updated the Asus Cover app also, so we can select any of the app clock we want. So I am selecting this. So it's looking so great. So that's it guys. If you like this video, you should leave a thumbs up down below, and if you want to watch more videos like this, you should subscribe this channel and also plus one the subscriber, because I am reaching the new milestone. Subscribers are increasing. So thank you for that one. And if you want to share this video, you can share this. If you have any question about this video, you can comment in the comment box, or anything or any other tech problem, and I will catch you guys in my next one.